New day, new news. Leave a like and subscribe so we can begin. Starting with the sports segment today, we have Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the ex-Indian cricket team captain, saying that he keeps on telling himself why he didn't dive in the semi-final of the World Cup that happened last year. That is extremely sad. Like, it's quite rare that you see a person actually feeling regret for something they did and which caused others harm. Well, anyways, it wasn't the end of the world, even though it was maybe the last World Cup for him, but he's going to be remembered as one of the greatest cricket players ever. Scientists create carbon-based material called Superdiamond. American scientists predicted and managed to synthesize a carbon-based material called Superdiamond with turnable mechanical and electronic properties. The researchers predicted the first thermodynamically stable carbon-based clatrate and then synthesized the clatrate structure comprised of carbon-boron cages that trap strontium atoms under high pressure and high temperature. First of all, I didn't really get any word of that. Second of all, I know this material is going to be expensive because diamonds are expensive, and this thing is a super diamond and it's gonna be beautiful. 11-year-old opens fire on teacher, classmates at Mexico school, kills self later. That is extremely sad, and like, I still don't get how that 11-year-old kid got a gun, first of all, and secondly, what was going on in his mind? First, like, wasn't he getting enough attention, enough care? Because that is totally not normal for a kid to even think of so, or actually even attempt to do so. All I can say is his parents should have taken some better care or precautions, because in fact it should really be difficult for a kid that age to even get his hands on a gun, which really surprised me, or would have surprised even you viewers. Wildfires could turn Amazon into a carbon source by 2050, says 30. Guys, here we are back with environmental issues that I've covered in almost every video that I've ever made. And guys, 2050, to imagine that, is not really too far away. 2050 from 2020 is as far away as is 1990, which just seems like it just went by and it wasn't too old. But the thing is, we all gotta do our bit to save the environment, because all of us, we don't even care, we don't even know what's bad and what's happening. We all should be more aware and get knowledge and do our bit to the best to save our environment, because if we start losing it, which we really are at this point, there's no way that it's gonna come back anyhow, and that is just absolutely sad for everything. We humans, who are an intelligent community, we ourselves can't save ourselves or other animals that reside. We've got a brain that can actually think. We can think about anything and we can create new things. And we all should use that power, that superpower, to do something good for the humanity. So guys, I've been sitting here for like 30 minutes now, but I have not been able to find some interesting news. Well, that points out at two things. The world is not moving forward, and that's sad. The world should move forward. And, well, in a way it's good, because the news is full of negative stuff about wars and killings and crimes, and it's just not too pleasant, to be honest. So yeah, in that way it's good, but in the other way the world isn't really moving forward, but that's not good. So I guess that should be it for today. There wasn't really much news that I could cover. So guys, see you tomorrow. Make sure to leave a like, comment, share, and
subscribe.